Here is the 2010 to 2015 Hyundai Tucson. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right there at the bottom on the left side you'll find the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Hyundai emblem there. That's where the secondary hood release lever is. Put two fingers in there and push it up. Push it up and lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod and put it in that slot with the arrow marking it and let it go. Now that's the passenger side turn signal bulb right over there. To access the bulb, you have to go behind it. That's the bulb holder, the one right in front of the windshield washer reservoir, that one. To loosen it, all you have to do is just grab it and twist it left a little bit. Now it may be stuck over there, it may take a few seconds, so just be patient with it, but it's gonna come loose. So just twist it left and there it is. Now it's loose. Just grab it and pull it out. Avoid touching the bulb with your bare skin because oil from your skin may damage the glass surface of the bulb. Use gloves or a napkin or something. To get the bulb off, all you have to do is just push it down and twist it left. So down and twist it left and the bulb comes off. This is a double filament bulb for two different functions, turn signal and parking light. The bulb number is right there on it, 2357A. A is for the amber color, 2357A. Now when you put the bulb back in, if you're having difficulty pushing it down, just stop, take it out, turn it around, and now let's put it in. See, now you should be able to push it down like that. So push it down, twist it right, and let it go, and the bulb is now secured in place. Now when you bring the bulb holder back in, just focus on that triangle symbol there. When the bulb holder goes into the light, that triangle symbol should be at like 11 o'clock when the bulb holder just drops in. It should be 11 o'clock like that. Yep. And now it's in. Just twist it right, and when it's locked, the triangle symbol should be at like 12 o'clock. And that's it. You're done here. That's the driver's side bulb, and the way to access it is right there behind it. Same process as the passenger side one. No differences whatsoever. Just have to twist it left. Same bulb holder, same bulb type, 2357A. Again, 2357A, except that when you put it back in, that triangle symbol, this time around, when you put it in, the triangle symbol should be at like 5 o'clock, and when you lock it, it should be at 6 o'clock. So it's like the diametrically opposite of the passenger side one. Right, see, when you put it back in, the triangle symbol should be at like 5 o'clock as the bulb holder drops in the light. Yep, like that. See that? Now all we have to do is just twist it right to lock it in place, and we are done. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and just try it out. Turn the flashes on and see what happened. And this one is working good, and so is the other one. That's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Only took us about 3 minutes. In order to close the hood, first take load off the prop rod, so push it, get the prop rod out of there, put it back in its place, secure it, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.